In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable auto screen rotation. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let me show you how it works. I'm gonna open up Safari. As you can see, now it shows Safari web browser in a portrait orientation. However, now if we tilt our device, it will rotate in landscape orientation, and then if we tilt it back, it will rotate back to portrait orientation. That is how it works by default. However, we can easily disable that feature. All you have to do is just head over to the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. There we can easily find that icon, and now we can just tap on it. Here it says portrait orientation lock on, and then if we open up any app that supports portrait and landscape orientation, and then if you try to tilt it in that way, it won't work because now portrait orientation is locked on the entire device for any applications. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.